The Porter Industrial Mini Pendant Light is perfect to hang above several areas, such as kitchen sinks and islands. Porter has a crystal clear glass shade that is accented by a stylish, expertly crafted socket. Whether you prefer a sleek chrome look, a vintage antique style, or a modern brushed nickel finish, Porter is guaranteed to suit your decor. This pendant's versatile features allow it to be easily customized to satisfy customer needs. Each fixture includes 3 12-inch down rods and 1 6-inch down rod, allowing a minimum hanging height of 17 inches and a maximum hanging height of 53 inches. Is your ceiling flat or sloped? The unique canopy design allows the Porter to be hung up to a 45-degree angle. Hang this beautiful pendant in your kitchen, dining room, living room, or den. Wherever you place the Porter, it is surely to enhance your home with its beautiful warm ambience.